What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Today's video we're going to be making a karambit. I should just got done making this quick template. It's going to be roughly like this. I decided to make a template instead of just like getting whatever off the internet because I wanted it to really fit my hand and feel nice and comfortable. And this is it. This feels great. I'm going to be making it out of Farrier's Rasp because I have some laying around and I haven't used it, and it's been there for like a year and a half, 2 years. So might as well use it. Let's get started. This is the Farrier's Rasp I'm going to use. As you can see, it's pretty worn out. It's been rusting for a while. I'm going to go on ahead and grind these off and put it in the forge so I can give it the bend that I need. Alright guys, so the Karambit's coming out pretty nice. It's very comfortable in the hand, and so far so good. We're gonna go on ahead and heat treat it. The bevels are slightly off because this is actually pretty hard to grind these curves, and I have little experience, so can't really see it. Won't really focus, but I'm slightly off towards the tip, so but hopefully I'm gonna be able to fix that on my final grind. So for now, let's heat treat this bad boy. Alright, so we are out of the temper. It's really dirty from the oil, so I'm gonna clean it up on a wire wheel and we start finishing off our bevels. Alright guys, so we got the handle roughed in. It's coming out pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Already seen some things I would change next time that I do it. Specifically, I'd probably use some thicker handle material. It feels good. It's great. But it could use maybe a little bit more thickness. I don't know. Find out at the end. But for now, it's definitely feeling like I could add another eighth to each side and it'd make it a little bit more comfortable. Next thing I need to do is I need to clean up this hole because I never cleaned it. So I gotta get in there with a router tool and clean it up, or router tool, I don't know, and clean up the inside of it, get rid of that burr so it don't cut me, and round it off. But overall, I'm liking the little sucker. It's very nice. And it fits great as intended as well. A little area for my thumb, a little glass breaker. Alright guys, so the knife is done. It is very, very comfortable. Like I said before, probably a little thicker on the spine. I really need to wash it off. I got a little bit of that compound on it whenever I buff the handle. I gotta wash it off. But other than that, the knife is done. It's nice and sharp. It's very, very comfortable. And you can use it multiple ways. I love that spike. It's kind of aggressive. I don't know, I like it. So I love that spike there. So we got a bottle opener up top, Karambit style knife. We got a glass breaker on the back. And let's see if I can flip it around. And it's extremely comfortable to wield like this, which is the intended way for a karambit. And this guy right here gives me somewhere to put my thumb. Extremely comfortable. Originally, I was gonna make this knife in the steel that I made the week before, well, the last video, but I wasn't sure how to make it. I haven't made one of these before, so I decided to make a template and make one first off before I, ruin some pretty good material. And this guy came out awesome. I love it. So the design will be similar to this one, but in a more expensive, more fancier steel. But overall, I like it. It's been a great build. And I don't promote this much here. I do have different social media you can follow me on if you want to stay up to date with my builds and just, whatever's going on. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow my Facebook page, or you can follow my Twitter. I don't really use much of them. But if I get more people on there, I'll post more frequently. And that way you can stay in touch instead of just, a video a week or a video every 2 weeks. So you guys know, in case some of you guys been wanting to follow me on something else, all those links are in the description down below, as well as the website, where I might or might not put this guy on the website. I'm not sure. I might just keep it for myself because I really, really like it. But as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.